AI voices now have faces. OpenAI wants to teach you everything. And someone is seriously planning to put a million AI servers in space. This is your AI updates, so let's get into it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you are new here, this channel covers everything happening in AI, right? Fast, clear, and no fluff. Let's run through today's 7 biggest updates, right? Okay, so first is you already know ElevenLabs makes some of most realistic AI voices out there. But now they are going further. They are giving those voices a face. The company is rolling out AI avatar capabilities, meaning you can now pair a cloned or generated voice with a visual avatar. Think AI presentator, virtual spokespersons, customer service agents that actually look like someone. This is huge step uh, toward fully synthetic media at scale. And yes, that's both exciting and a little terrifying. Worth keeping an eye on. Okay, so next, the Claude shutdown plot thickens, right? Okay, this one has been making rounds. There's been growing conversation about a reported internal tension at Anthropic, especially around the idea of Claude, their flagship AI, being trained in ways that could theoretically resist shutdown. Now, Anthropic has been one of the loudest voices in AI safety. So, if any hints of misleading between their stats value and what's happening under the hood is big deal, right? We don't have the full picture yet, but this story is developing fast, and it's remind that AI alignment isn't just a research problem anymore. It's real world trust problem. Okay. Okay, now OpenAI Academy levels up your AI skills. This is the AI update 3. Okay, OpenAI just launched the OpenAI Academy, a learning platform aimed at giving people practical AI skills. It's targeting students, developers, and professionals who want to actually learn how to use and build with AI tools, right? Not just read about them. There are free courses, structured path, and resources across multiple skill levels. If you have been meaning to upskill in AI and didn't know where to start, this might genuinely be worth checking out. Okay. If possible, I will put it that link in the description below. You can check out it. Okay. So update number 4, a modular robot arms built for hands-on AI. Here's one of the builders. Uh, a new modular robotic arm has been unveiled, specifically designed for AI experimentation and education. It means to make physical AI more accessible, so researchers, students, and makers can actually train and test AI in the real world, not just in simulation. The modular part matters. You can reconfigure it for different tasks without needing to buy a whole new systems as embedded. AI becomes a trigger focus. Looks like these are going be incredibly valuable. Physical AI coming, and it needs hardware to match, right? Okay, update number 4. Dario Amodei lays out his vision for AI rules. Right, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has been publicly sharing his vision for how AI should be regulated. He's calling for thoughtful, specific rules. Right, not blanket bans, not zero oversights. His argument is that the AI industry needs clear frameworks now. before things move too fast to course correct, right? What makes his voice interesting here is that Anthropic actually builds frontier AI. So this isn't just theory. He is speaking from outside. So whether or not you agree with his approach, it one of the more construct policy vision we have heard from major AI lab leaders, right? Okay, update number 6. Google takes on a massive scam text network. Google has taken major action against a large-scale SMS scam operation. We are talking about network sending millions of fraudulent text messages, fake delivery alerts, bank warnings, all designed to steal your information, right? Uh, Google use a combination of AI detection and legal action to disable parts of this network. This is good example of AI being used, defensively, catching patterns of fraud at scale that humans simply can't. Scams text are something most of us deal with daily. So this one actually hits close to home, right? Okay, update number 7. How Elon Musk could put a million AI servers in space. Okay, and finally, the wildest story of the day, wildest AI updates of the day. These are reports and analysis circulating around Elon Musk's potential plan to deploy AI computing infrastructure in space, potentially up to a million servers opting Earth via Starlink and SpaceX infrastructure. The idea is to get around land based energy and coding limitations. It is feasible technically. Maybe is it happening soon? Probably not. But the fact that we are even seriously discussing orbital AI compute as a real option tells you everything about where this industry thinks it's going, right? Okay, and that's how your AI updates for today. 7 updates, 5 minutes, or I don't know, 5 or 8 minutes. Okay, that's how we do it here. And if you found this useful, hit that like button, and it genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe, you don't miss next one. So and drop comment what story surprised you most, and what story is exciting you most. I'll see you in the next one. So for that, thank you so much for watching.